Hello guys, hello. Aba, naka-aura si Neneng mo, ang tinatawag niyong Neneng. Ang aking nickname ay hindi Neneng at sa nagtatawag sa akin ng meow diyan. I'm so sorry, I'm not meow, I'm not Neneng, I'm not aw, okay? I'm Rods, okay? Rods for short. Siya pala guys, it's a windy day. Oh my god, look. How can I go to Kandari that the weather is not good? I wish that I'm not feel bored there in whole day because um sorry. Honestly, it's not good to be there longer, and I feel like it's the end of my life. I'm sorry. Hindi ako nakakatagal, lalo na siguro kapag walang internet. But the good things is there's an internet, guys. So I'm fine. Cute yung sandals ko. Tignan niyo yung sandals ko. Tignan niyo. Nakikita niyo ba? Yun. Yung sandals ko na yan, guys, I keep it longer. Many years. And until now, it's still alive. I bought that in Denmark. Yes. And I sent it here many years ago. But they still keep it for me, of course, because they know that I'm going back to Philippines again. And I will use it. Ayun, yun lang, guys. Again. Yes, I will use it again. Pasensya na kayo. I want to say sorry. My English is not good enough now because I didn't talk foreigner. At hindi pa dumarating ang aking apam. Sana apam dito, apam doon. Dumating ka na. I'm waiting longer to you. Sana all. At thank you nga pala. Thank you so much to your support when I was there in Denmark that my life is down. Thank you so much, babe. Thank you. And I hope that we can see each other again in Philippines. Thank you to all of your supports. Yes. And thank you to make me more stronger when I was sick in Denmark. And I'll never forget that you are there for me. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye. I love you. That's from the bottom of my heart. Okay?